Hey guys, alright. This is set up, so you got to run 3 remotes. Each wing's independent. Go ahead and fold them down. We're folded down all the way. Lower the axles down. Alright. We'll go ahead and engage the PTO. Throttle her up a little. And we'll just go forward. Sorry guys, one-handed it. But I'm not gonna go out there and take a dust bath, but as you can see guys, shredding everything just the way it should. And you're in the market for a bat wing. You're not gonna find one much more gently used than this. I mean, this thing is as close to new as I've seen. Everything folds the way it should. You're ready to go to work.